At Mabuto Holdings, we don't just pave roads, we build the paths that connect communities and power progress. From overlays and seal coating to crack sealing and new asphalt installations, our team of asphalt and paving experts delivers quality craftsmanship that lasts. Whether it's transforming parking lots, patching potholes, or paving private roads, our commitment to precision and excellence shines through every project. We bring together innovation, experience, and integrity to create surfaces built for the future. For dependable paving solutions and a free online assessment, call us today or visit www.holdings.co.za. Mabuto Holdings, where solid foundations begin.